In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a missing toolbar in TradingView. At times, you might find that your drawing toolbar vanishes, leaving you unable to access your drawing tools. This can be frustrating, but thankfully, there's a simple way to bring it back. So let's dive right into the solution and get your toolbar back where it belongs. We'll start by enabling the drawing panel, and this method works across the web, desktop, and mobile apps of TradingView. So regardless of the platform you're using, these instructions will help you get your toolbar back in no time. First, open your chart in TradingView. You'll need to locate your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. It's either represented by a star or your avatar. Once you find it, click on it to open the menu. Within this menu, look for the option that reads Drawing Panel or Enable Drawing Panel. There should be a toggle switch next to it. Simply flip this switch to turn it on. After doing this, you might need to wait a moment for the toolbar to load onto your chart's left side. Usually this action restores the missing toolbar instantly, allowing you to access all your drawing tools once again. If the toolbar is still not showing after enabling the drawing panel, don't worry. There's a couple more things you can try. First, attempt a full refresh of your browser page. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This will force your browser to reload the page completely, clearing any potential glitches that might be causing the toolbar to remain hidden. In the instance where a full refresh doesn't resolve the issue, you can try resetting the chart itself to its default settings. To do this, right-click anywhere on your chart. A context menu will appear, and from here you can select the option titled Reset Chart. This action will revert the chart to its original settings, which often resolves display issues such as a missing toolbar. By following these steps, your toolbar should now reappear on the left side of your chart, ready for you to use. Remember, starting with enabling the drawing panel usually does the trick, but a refresh or chart reset can be handy backup plans if needed. I hope these instructions were clear and easy to follow. Troubleshooting platform issues can feel daunting, but with the right steps, you can solve common problems like this in no time. Thanks for tuning in and happy charting.